So the first step is to go to Phonto, and then you want to click on plain image and choose the white or any color that you want. Then you want to go to the dimensions on the top and choose your phone size. Then you want to click on the box with the arrow and click on use. Then you want to add text and type the channel name or whatever text you want to write with the font that you want. I'm just going to be writing channel name here for the purpose of this video. Then I'm going to save it and just play around with the style or the color if you want to, but I'm not going to be doing any of that. Then click on move and then layout, and then choose the second choice to center it in the screen. Then what you want to do is you want to click on it and then click on text and delete everything except for the letter C or the first letter of your text. Then you want to save that. Then what you want to do is you want to repeat that process, typing every single letter and then saving it. And yeah, I'm just gonna speed this process as you guys can see. Don't save it when you do a space, just like space and then letter, if you know what I mean, if that even makes any sense. And after you're done with all the letters, just delete the whole text and then save it so you're left with a blank photo. Then the next step is to go to notes or documents and record a typewriter sound effect. If you don't know where to get that from, I'll have the link down below, so make sure to check it out. Then you want to go to Imovie and then click on the plus button. Then you want to click on movie, and then you want to select all of the letters, but start with the blank photo first, which is the white one or any color that you chose. Then go gradually from the first letter to the last letter. And then after you're done with that, click on create movie. What you want to do now is you want to disable the Ken Burns. If you guys don't know how to do that, you just pinch with both fingers and you click on Ken Burns enabled to disable it. Then you want to shorten all the clips and you want to play with the transition so that it's none. Then you want to save it. I skipped this part because it's kind of long and you guys can do it. It's really easy. Then you want to create another movie. Choose the movie that you just saved. Then you want to click on the plus button, click on video, and then choose the typewriter screen recording video. Click on the three dots and then add the wave with the plus. Now what you want to do is you want to play around to match the audio with the video, and what I did here is just pretty much playing with the speed and cutting out the parts that don't have sound in it. Yeah, so you can just do that, and I'm just gonna speed this part because it kind of took too long, but you guys can try and follow along if you want. And yeah, I'm basically done after I sped it up, as you guys can see. This is the final result. After you're done, just save it, and yeah, you're basically done with it. That's how you do the typewriter effect. I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below any video ideas you want to see next on this channel. Make sure to subscribe, and yeah, bye!